Dame Elizabeth, 1 point for a lawful touch. She currently stands at 1 point. As Sir Victor Thorne, a little late on the jump, like getting into it. 1 point as well for a lawful touch. He currently stands at 2. Now, we shall have one more pass betwixt these two to determine who shall challenge Sir William Dudley. And would you see your man Sir Victor Thorne stand triumphant? Dame Elizabeth! Then shout, scream, cheer, Elizabeth! She fought well, fought hard, ends with 2 points. But in this our third pass, your man, Sir Victor Thorne, did come from behind, shot at that lands, 5 points. Sir Victor Thorne stands at 7 and takes the chance for Sir William Dudley to rip him off his horse. I mean, for him to rip Sir William Dudley off his horse. So my friends over here, my cheap seats, I say, are you ready for your champion to enter?
In the dirt.
Very well. Come around. Good people down in Dame Elizabeth's side, you can cheer for whoever you wish, or simply shout, knock him in the dirt. In the dirt.
In the dirt.
In the dirt! In the dirt!
In the dirt. In the dirt.
Wow, fought indeed between these two. To your man, Sir William Dudley. 1 point for a lawful touch.
Oh, he's gonna get 5 points. Why is there all the broken ones over there?
And to Sir Victor Thorne, 5 points for shouting that. Indeed, a good blow between them.
Victor,
But I
almost
say,
there. Did you see that?
shall we have a second
Or you
pass?
get yourself back up and put some armor on.
And would you see greater contact? Then shout, scream, cheer, Victor!
In the dirt. In the dirt. In the dirt. In the dirt.
At your ready! Charge on! In this our second pass, to your man, Sir William Dudley, 1 point for a lawful touch!
Yeah.
He stands at 2. And to your man, Sir Victor Thorne, 1 point for a lawful touch!
Let's just fall off the course.
He stands in the lead at 6. And I say we shall have yet another pass between these two men. So good people, shout, cheer if you will, let the gods above hear you scream as these men come ready. I say shout, Victor William! Victor William!
In the dirt!
In the dirt. In the dirt. In the dirt. In the dirt.
Victor William! Night! At your ready! Charge on! In this, our third pass, your man, Sir William Dudley, 1 point for a lawful touch!
I don't like this point system.
He stands at 3 points in total. And your good man, Sir Victor Thorne, 1 point for a lawful touch! 7 points for him. But my lords and ladies, I say we have these men make one more pass between them. And it would horse, Sir Victor Thorne. So shout, scream, cheer, make them know you care. William Victor! William!
In the dirt! In the dirt!
Hooray! Pause, men! I will have you reset and we shall make this actual fourth attempt what it should be. My lords and ladies, that is the very definition of anticlimactic. Alright, knights, come about. Lords and ladies, take up your chant. Victor! Your man, Sir William Dudley, knocking him hard and true. That was a thunderous hit. 1 point! He stands currently at 4. And your man, Sir Victor Thorne, taking that hit, giving it back, and manfully maintaining his seat on his horse. 1 point! And if I'm not mistaken, 8 points means Sir Victor Thorne is your champion this day! It's almost perfectly in his name. Now, seeing these two men fought so bravely and fought well, I would have Sir Victor Thorne dismount his grand guard, meet Sir William in the middle, and congratulate each other as equals. My lords and ladies, I give to you your champion, Sir Victor Thorne! Sir Victor, meet your opponent, congratulate him, and take your applause from your people. Revel in it, sir. Good people, a round of applause for our two men. Sir William Dudley. Sir William Dudley, what in God's name are you doing, sir? What? Men! Oh, very well, Dame Elizabeth and his... Somebody stop!
Stab him! Stab him! Stab him!
Well, now I'm gonna let him hit you. Victor William! Victor William! Oh, God! My lords and ladies, seeing how he is the last man standing. Seeing as she is the last woman standing, I give to you your champion, Sir Dame Elizabeth! My lords and ladies, did you enjoy the show?
Yeah!
Did Did you least enjoy watching these knights beat the living snot from one another?
Yeah!
Very well. Then at this time, these knights shall come amongst you. Please, $1 or $2 in their helm helps carry us.